How's it going, everyone? So today we will be making a hickey video. Before I get started, please subscribe to my channel if you guys haven't already. I do appreciate the support. It helps my channel grow. Also, please follow me on Instagram, Dylanberg999. So again, I get a lot of hate for these hickey videos, but that's perfectly fine. This is YouTube. I got 150,000. If you guys are watching this video, I probably have close to 170, 180,000 subscribers. So there's always gonna be people that don't like the videos. But anyways, I'm gonna pick a question from a subscriber today. Then we're gonna go over it. Then at the end of the video, I'll tell you what I do to get rid of hickeys. So basically, this subscriber wants to know if you can get rid of hickeys with coffee grounds. Again, I get a lot of questions about topical treatment, about like coffee, lipstick, chapstick, peanut butter. I get quite a bit of questions asking me about that. And anything that you apply on your skin, like again, peanut butter, lipstick, chapstick, coffee grounds, anything that you apply on your skin, let's just say if it did work, it's still going to take at least a day for it to work. Generally with creams, like topical creams, if you're applying something to get rid of it, it can take like a week, 2 weeks. I've never seen of anything that you apply to your skin and in like 2 hours it's gone. I've never seen anything like that. Anything. So coffee grounds, could it work? I don't know. You could try it out, but I don't think it's gonna work. But like 95% sure that it's not going to work. And you could apply it for like a week and I guarantee you nothing happens. But again, a week is so long. Like the people asking these questions, I don't know why you guys want to wait a week. Like if I have a hickey, I want to get rid of it right now. So that's where my idea comes in and what I use for getting rid of hickeys. And all that is using a coin or a spoon. That's all I do, you guys. So you get a coin, you get a spoon, you rub the area for 2 to 5 minutes. That's it. Now, that's itchy. What was I going to say? What's going to happen is you're going to get a red mark on your neck and it's going to look pretty red. Just allow 5 to 10 minutes for that to go away. The hickey will also go away with it. So the subscriber asking me about the coffee grounds, I wouldn't do it. I just do my method. It takes 2 to 5 minutes and your hickey's gondos. But yeah, end the video. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Please like the video, share it. Please follow me on Instagram, Dylanberg999. And again, I will keep making these hickey videos. Again, I don't make them every single day. I think they're made every week. Once a week, I think I make a hickey video. So I don't know why it's such a big problem to my subscribers. It's literally one of the most popular topics on my channel. That's how many comments I get per day on it. So I'm going to keep making them. End of video. Thanks.